Hi there, and in today's video I'll show you how to do a screenshot and a scroll screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, to do a basic screenshot you would need to click on these two buttons at the same time, the power button and the volume down button. Let's do it. And now your screenshot is ready. We can also take a look on it if you will click on the photo at the bottom part of your phone. Now, to do a scroll screenshot, we would need to open any page that you can scroll, for example, Google. And now do a basic screenshot and keep clicking on this button until everything that you need will be screenshotted. After you are done, you can click on the screenshot to take a look how it looks. And this is scroll screenshot. And also, did you know that you can do a screenshot on the second screen of your phone? Let me show you how. So we would need to take a look on these two buttons and click them at once. This power button and the bottom part of this one, the volume up button. So wake up the screen and take a screenshot just like this. And that's it. Now let's take a look on this screenshot. I am opening gallery and here is it how it looks. And that's it. Now you know how to do screenshot, scroll screenshot, and a screenshot on the second screen. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.